Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to hide address on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin. After that, go to settings section. So you should see the settings section at the lower left corner of your screen. Now, select Checkout. So within the Settings section, click on Checkout tab. This is where you can configure various settings related to the checkout process. Now scroll down to the Order Processing section. So in the Checkout settings, scroll down until you reach the Order Processing section. Locate the Additional Content and Scripts field. Within the Order Processing section, look for the Additional Content and Scripts field. This field allows you to add custom code or scripts to modify the appearance or behavior of the checkout page. Now add custom code to hide the address. So I'm going to put the code in the description box, okay? So now add the following custom code snippet to hide the address on receipts and invoices. Save the changes. So after adding the custom code snippet, click on the Save button to save the changes you made to the checkout settings. Now test the checkout process. So, so perform a test purchase on your Shopify store to verify that the address is hidden under receipts and invoices. Place an order and check the generated receipt or invoice to ensure that the address information is no longer displayed. So by following these steps and adding the custom code to hide the address in the checkout settings, you can modify the appearance of receipts and invoices to meet your requirements. It is important to note that making customizations like this may require basic knowledge of HTML and CSS, and it is recommended to back up your theme and consult Shopify's documentation or support resources for any further assistance or guidance. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.